So it happened again. So somebody tried very hard to get through that. I mean, good luck, you freak. And somebody is trying to take that off. Good luck, because once you take this off, you're gonna have to take that with the bike, which doesn't make sense. And somebody just ripped my alarm. I threw it in here. I found this, which is my alarm, like sitting here. So they like were it must have been going off, and they were looking for it, and when they found it, they ripped it. So funny. This is hilarious.